isod po nang maglantaw. Mahirap naman kung magtingin na lang kami, hindi ba? Hi guys, this is Doc Kulot and welcome to our Highway Mind episode 5. Ayan. Sa mga nagtataka, bakit episode 5 na agad? Actually, yung first 2 episodes ko are just really minimal thoughts. And yung 3rd episode ko to be uploaded, 4th episode ko is already there. Di ba ang gulo? Ito, basta ito, siguradong episode 5 onwards, okay na tayo. Kasi, ano na siya, I wanted to do this kind of reflective vlog. Sa chaotic man kasi talaga ang life natin, right? Like in general, it's really, really chaotic, and social media is very, very sometimes if you don't know your core, you might get lost. Kasi diba, yung iba talaga nga namang ang mga contents ay fun, yung iba naman ay kung anong trending or viral. Anyway, we'll focus our energy on creating contents that something you can get inspiration, or you can get hope, or you can, alam mo yun, yung feel good kind of vlog lang siya. Ganun. So that's really the focus that I want to create. Anyway, for episode 5, we'll be talking about how to keep the fire burning in LDR. Ayan, sa mga team LDR, ayan, hello po sa lahat. So, kami ni Sir Omski Lu, we've been together for 5 years already. We've been married for a year. And we've been in LDR for as far as I can remember. Alam ko yung iba mas matagal pa sa amin. Or yung iba naman, nagsisimula pa lang bilang long distance relationship. So, it's really difficult, no? Kasi, alam naman natin yung mga ibang kwentong lumalabas talaga ngayon. Nandyan yung mga stories of infidelity or unfaithfulness or yung mga third party. So, well, thank you, Lord. We've never had that kind of arguments. And I feel like what was really important when we started our relationship, it was parang clear from one another ano yung goals namin sa relationship. Kasi ano na siya, hindi na siya naging pabebe nung parang gusto mo ako, okay. hindi siya yung ano, it was not really pabebe kind of thing. I was just really, really practical. I thought to myself, I mean, if I wanted to start another relationship, dapat siya na yung papakasalan ko, hindi na pa ligoy-ligoy pa. Ang question ko lang at that time was, does he have any plans of marriage? He said, yes. And I said, if you're interested, then go to my mom. And then he went. But when he went to my mom, ang parang naging conversation niya was, I will need to prepare. Oh, ganun si Sir Omski Lu. Ganun siya. Like, he's, kumaga inilatag niya ang plano. So anyway, ayan, brought to you by KCC Bag. KCC Mall de Zamboanga Bag, ang ating, ang ating highway mind. So anyway, so how do we keep, how do Omar and I keep the fire? Si Sir naman, liliko siya, pero hindi siya tumingin sa other side. Hi, Lasa. Kaya nga meron tayong signal light to signal. Anyway, ano ba yan? Balik tayo. So, paano nga ba? Like, the last 5 years, paano nga ba? Siguro, ang una kong natutunan sa relationship namin is clear ang communication. Dapat clear. Hindi siya pwedeng read between the lines. Kasi nga, ito ang paniniwala ko, guys, ha. Pwedeng magkaiba din paniniwala, pero ito paniniwala ko. Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Hence, we have different ways in terms of our of how we want to communicate, of how we want to be affectionate, of how we want to, of how we are as a person. I think because of that principle, my ang thoughts was, let's be straightforward when it comes to communication. So, si Sir Omski Lu, hindi may mag-text. Ayan, para yan siyang tatay. Talagang tatawag at i-update ka, ganyan. Tapos, basta kung may trabaho siya. Pag libre siya, tatawagan ka niya. Kahit magbabad pa kayo sa telepono, basta libre siya. So I think number one is really communication. Maayos yung communication namin ni Sir Romsky Lou. Hindi kami, it's really clear. Isa sa mga example ng clear communication namin is yung mga monthsary, hindi na talaga namin siya sineselebrate. Pero diretso na ako sa kailangan ko. Kailangan ko ng ganito, kailangan ko ng ganyan. Parang ganun. Hindi siya, boring siya. Siguro when you get older, mas boring yung relationship in an essence. Pero I think it worked for the both of us. Kasi clear ang communication. Kasi clear yung parang yung state mo ng specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound yung mga gusto mo. Kasi, if otherwise, hindi niya maintindihan, hindi siya nagbabasa in between lines. So, hindi poetic yung asawa ko. How I wish, pero hindi po talaga. Hindi siya makata, so hindi read between the lines. Talagang straightforward. Number two, quality in terms of spending time. So, we spend time only few days in a certain parang sabihin season. For example, kapag nakapag-break or bakasyon, or ako pumupunta ako sa kanya. So we make sure it's quality time. So when we say quality time, we really spend time to each other. There is no work, walang trabaho when we're together. It's always we find each other's rhythm, talagang nakikipag-usap, talagang present kami. Yan. So yan, quality time. Number three, I think this is something I have really learned longer. Open-mindedness and understanding siguro yung number three ko. Siguro, marami sa mga times na si Sir Romsky Lou, lagi ko siyang nami-misunderstood kasi this and that, laging ganon, kasi may sense of comparison parate. Bakit si ganito, bakit si ganyan. So what I've learned over time is you really have to have an open mind that hindi lahat ng tao pare-parehas. So you cannot compare because people are so different. Parang ito yung lagi niya sinasabi, not because he doesn't show this doesn't mean he doesn't love you. He's just built differently. So yun, parang when we had that kind of conversation, I had this parang reflection na parang masyado ko siyang kinulong sa box. Parang lagi kong the reason may comparison kasi lagi kong kinukulong yung idea niya sa isang box, yung idea ng isang lalaki. Yung parang, dapat kasi ganito, dapat ganyan. Pero yun, darating talaga kayo sa point ng relationship nyo magko-compromise. So yan yung mga bagay. Feeling ko kaya nag-work yung LDR for us. Kasi gano'n, yun yung mga namin, thought process. Tapos number 4 is, how do we keep it burning? But of course, there's always intimacy. I mean, we have to be intimate with each other. Isut po nang maglantaw. Mahirap naman kung magtingin na lang kami. Hindi ba? There's intimacy. Now that we're married, of course, there's intimacy. But what I really admire about Romsky Lou is he really learns the things that he doesn't do. Say, for example, a kiss on the cheek. He doesn't do that before. At least now he does. He doesn't hug you in public before, but now he does. He doesn't hold your hands in public, but now he does. I mean, he has improved. Pero yon, feeling ko, our intimacy was slowly built over time. What else? This is a very impromptu vlog, by the way. Walang tong script. This is something that I have just thought about it now that I'm actually going home. I guess number 5, how do we keep it burning? It's because there's respect and trust. Sometimes there's sometimes parang feeling natin parang all good days. So, syempre hindi naman. May away naman kami yung skill. Pero sa totoo lang, when we got married, very less na lang yung away namin. Mas nananaigi yung respeto at yung pagtitiwala. Kasi, syempre, iba na yung respect mo. So, hindi na siya jowa respect eh. Nire-respeto mo na siya as your better half. Kasi kung anong masabi sa kanya, parang yun yung sabi sa'yo. And then, trust kasi, yun talaga yung pinaka-foundation ng lahat. Kasi, di ba, parang nagiging kampante ka kasi pinagkakatiwalaan. I think it also goes to our relationship to our friends, our relationship to the people around us, na kapag nandyan yung pagtitiwala, ay talaga nga namang mag-strengthen yung any kind of relationship. How to keep the relationship burning. But anyway, I hope you've learned something over time with my vlog, no? Sana naman. Sana naman yung oras na pakikinig nyo. Pero, alam nyo yun, I'm here to really do or create contents that will hopefully inspire and encourage everyone. So maraming salamat for listening. This has been your Kakwentuhan.